Hi friends, in this video we will learn how to access Azure Storage account, and in this video we will discuss about 4 ways. One is using access keys, and another one is if you want to access only one file there, how you can access. If you want to access only container, how you can do that with the help of shared access token. And another is if you want to access full account, how you can do that with the SaaS. Okay, so for that we require Azure Storage Explorer. So let's download that. Let's go there and getting started. Cloud storage management. Actually, it's a UI tool. With the help of that, you can perform the action like upload, download, and delete as per your this permission. So here, as per your operating system, click on this, and then let me stop this because I already have this with me. Let's install this. Okay, next. And first way, as we discussed, we will learn how to connect with your account using access keys. So for that, let's open this, your storage account, and then click on this, click on your storage account, and here data security and network access keys. You require two things. One is your account name and another one is key. Okay, so finish this. And then what you need to do, then you need to either click on this, okay, and then click on this, like account name and key. Okay, here you require account name. Let me copy this account name, paste it here. Okay, then let me copy this key name. Okay, and then enter the key name here, then next, and then connect. Okay, now if you check this, it's loading. Now check this, all the content of this available offline, available with us. Okay, here you can upload more content or copy or do other operations, so it's a good tool. So now let's detach this. Okay, now we will access, or blob only. Let's go there and let's go to container, and let's this image, let's say I want to access this only. Then go to this, and here everything is fine. So here let's click on this, and then click on this Blob Storage URL and try to access this. Now it's working as well. So this is for SaaS at Blob level. Now let's connect your this container with the help of SaaS. So for that, open that, and you can say the shared access token, and here we require a listing permission as well, and click on this. Now try to access this, then click on this here. You are not able to access this inside your browser. For that you require this tool. Let's click connect on Azure Storage, and then we need to click on this shared access. Okay, now paste this, next, connect, then you are able to see your container. Okay, okay, and because you have a list and this access only, if you are trying to delete or perform any another operation, you are not able to do that. Okay, now let's disconnect and detach this, okay, and detach this, and now let's go to our portal, and now access our storage account. Storage account. Okay, here you need to click on this, and we are good with. Now we are interested only in Blob, and this, and we are not interested for all the rights. We are interested for read, and this read and list only, and here click on this. Now below this, so you will run this, now click on this Azure so click storage account or service connection. Okay, now click next, connect. So here is connected, and you are able to see your all the containers, and you are able to access all the, you can say, container with a, you can say, write read and list only, so you are able to see.